Ladies and gentlemen, Godfather back to you with another video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Turn on that notification bell button so you never miss another video. Today, I'll be showing you how to reset your phone's battery to its factory settings. The first step we need to do in order to reset our phone's battery to its factory settings is by opening up the dialer and dialing star hash 9900 hash. A menu will open up. You need to scroll down until you find battery stats reset. Tap on that. After we reset the battery stats, all we need to do now is go back to the dialer and dial star hash 0228 hash. A menu will open up again. You need to tap on quick start. After that you need to hit OK, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Turn on that notification bell button till you never miss another video.